Hey people, this is Satish Kumar from Mechanical Department. This video is going to be an oral presentation about the topic history of chocolates. When we say chocolates, it tastes yummy, right? We all know how chocolate tastes, but we should also know how chocolates are formed. That is, how chocolates were created. We should know the history of chocolates. So we can see in this presentation. So the word chocolate was derived from the Spanish word chocolatal. We all know the meaning of chocolate is sweet, so the chocolatal word's meaning is also sweet. When in the initially chocolate was named as chocolatal because of the sweet taste, so in English it was derived as chocolate. So Mayan civilization in the 2000 BC was created. Found the chocolate for the first time. Then they started eating it, so they like the chocolates very much. Initially it was cocoa, that is in 2000 BC it was cocoa, so they started eating the chocolate cocoa. So they believed that it was a precious one. Why they believed it was a precious one was for one reason. The reason is it was they thought that it was a gift of God. That is, chocolate, that is cocoa, was a gift of God. You can see in this picture cocoa tree. Below the cocoa tree there is a statue of a, it may be a statue of a god. They thought that this thing is given to us by the god. um, there is a reason for this. They Why they thought that the cocoa is a gift of god. So they started worshipping this statue. They thought that this is a god for us. The taste is, they believed that it will cure diseases. Due to the initially that it was not sweet. We all know that cocoa tastes bitter, so the bitter taste of the cocoa cures the diseases which affects the Mayan civilized people. So they literally thought that this could be a gift of God which is given to us, so that it cures all of our diseases. So this thing is very precious, so we should keep it very safe. So they thought like that, and they saw chocolate as a really a very precious one. This was in 2000 BC. In 19th century, the first chocolate company was developed by J.S. Fry and Sons. They developed the first chocolate company with the slight alternation in the taste of chocolate. That is, cocoa was bitter taste. They started changing it slightly, so they added the sugar syrup to the cocoa powder, so that it became more sweeter. They thought that uh, bitter taste may be curing diseases. That was a belief by Mayan civilized people. But later on, when years passed by, so this generation people, that is the 19th century people, thought that the sweet taste would be better. They also try to make it as a business, so the sweet taste would be a better option for them. So they made it as a, they added the sugar syrup and they made it as a sweet thing. So chocolate became very famous all over the world. Also by seeing this company, many companies were started producing chocolate, like Cadbury, Hershey's, and many companies. Now Cadbury, Hershey's are the famous one, but the initial first company was this. Initially, chocolate was a royal thing to everyone, but when the Cadbury and Hershey's companies came, they thought to give chocolate also to the poor people. So chocolate is really a good thing to eat, but there should be a limit to everything. So chocolate is also, maybe chocolate is tastier, but it also has its side effects. Over consuming of chocolate leads to headache. So we should, if there is a limit for everything, right? So chocolate was created just to have a sweet taste, that too not too much. So we should use chocolates, but uh, in a limited manner. So chocolate was created by this only, created only by this way. Thank you for watching.